Here we come to the Stacks elevator at the Fondren Library Center at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. This is an old Otis traction elevator with a lot of floors, which I've never seen in a library before. Anyways, let's ride. Here we go. It's an Otis from 1968, I believe it is. And it wants to shut fast. Let's go on to 1. I gotta get a listen to that motor going down. Anyways, we'll get a cab view while we're headed down here. These are your Otis black button fixtures. Classic leveling. 8. All right, we will go back down to 7 and we'll end there. Love that motor starting up. We're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.